In this video, I'll show you how to add a Google Search console in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And from here, you just want to simply click on Analytics. Now, once you are on Analytics, the first step is to make sure you are on the traffic page. And once you are on the traffic page, you want to head over to the very top. And in here, you will have 4 tabs. What you want to do is simply click on Search Keywords. And once you are on the search keywords section, this is where you can add Google search keywords. To get started, simply head over to the bottom and click on connect. And once you do that, a pop-up will show. And from here, what you want to do is just simply add your Google account. Once that's done, you just want to simply scroll down and at the bottom and the right-hand side, click on continue. And from here, you just want to simply click on select all. However, if you do want to add or not add a few things in here, you can just simply head over to the right hand side and uncheck. And once you're done, head over to the bottom again and click on continue. And as you can see, you are now connected. Now, it may take up to 72 hours in order for Google to index your data. However, you can check back here to view your top SEO keywords. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.